Welcome. Well, guess what today is? It is day 3 of the 12 days of Christmas, KAL. Yay! I want to thank everyone so far who has won and who has contacted me to let me know what they want on their bags. I'm so excited for you guys. So let's go ahead and announce who today's winner is. Today's winner is number 6, Knit 1 Pug 2 Krista on Ravelry. She had some headbands and they were super cute. So congratulations, Krista. So here is what you have won. You have won one skein of Uru, and it is gorgeous. And it is a Speckles Singles 100% superwash merino, fingering weight 417 yards. You will also receive the Lana Ambiente worsted in this beautiful light blue color. It's kind of bluish gray, and it is called Michelangelo, and it is 100% Peruvian wool and 100 yards. So you've got these two, and then you also will receive a handy dandy yarn needles. Who doesn't need an extra set of those laying around to weave in those ends? And certainly not last is your zipper bag, which you can tell me exactly what you want printed on here and I will do that for you. So Krista, please get in contact with me and we will get these out to you by the end of this week. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Bye-bye.